Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create and load different glazing types. I will use the model we created in the Drawing Windows and Doors tutorial to create a new glazing type and then assign it to the rectangular windows here. There is extensive library data in Designbuilder. Here in the library
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.